Well, you know how it is when energy spins, right? And so I began having symptoms again last night, right around in here where it's hot, right? And then was today 6/13, 13th Mother Ark, and then for the just seconds ago, or actually within the last minute, I just started sneezing like crazy, just one right after the other. And so I normally don't report on sneezing events, but this was a big one. I mean, this was like, man, stop. Those are symptoms. Those are signs and symptoms, signals, right? Of changes. Echo map changes, right? Time speed vectors. And so, yeah, we're getting it done. Healing the inner child, the feel good code, Tiwa. Mat, 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 Yeah. Nahe vusata. Tiwa. Nahe vusata. I got to adjust my frequencies. You know, the higher octave. Yeah, getting that higher, that that higher tone, that higher octave tone. You know, the girls can hit those notes. Yeah, just perfectly. The tones, the spin tones are just, they fire just perfectly like matched pairs. Like the silver and gold mated Ruche. Perfectly matched. So they fire right on time, which means we're breathing right now timing, which means there isn't any time. Time is an illusion. So have a beautiful day with the inner child, the feel good code. Muave.